Ready for dictation? Start. The authorities of Pakistan has allegedly arrested, detained, tried, convicted and sentenced to death an Indian national Mr. Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav, and he is currently under a death sentence being held in Pakistan. The competent authorities of Pakistan, despite repeated requests by India beginning March 2016, have not granted consular access. Pakistan has thus been in egregious violation of its obligations under sub-articles (A) (B) and (C) of Article 36, paragraph 1 of the 1963 Vienna Convention. These violations have prevented India from exercising its rights under the Vienna Convention and have also deprived the Indian national of the protection accorded under the Vienna Convention and violated his rights under the Vienna Convention. This application is being brought by India on its own behalf to seek relief in relation to violation of its rights as well as on behalf of its citizen who has been seriously prejudiced and now faces a death sentence in a process that deliberately and consciously denied to him the rights under Article 36 (1) (B) of the Vienna Convention. The ICJ has held that the rule on exhaustion of local remedies is not applicable when a state invokes direct violation of its rights. In such cases, the state is not bound to wait until domestic proceedings have been completed by its injured national. Nor is the exhaustion of local remedies a compulsory requirement if the respondent state itself has failed to inform the person concerned about available remedies in consonance with its obligations under international law. An Indian national (Kulbhushan Sudhir Jadhav) was allegedly arrested on March 3, 2016. On 25 March 2016, India was informed of this alleged arrest when the Foreign Secretary Pakistan raised the matter with the Indian High Commissioner in Islamabad. On that very day, India sought consular access to the said individual at the earliest. The request did not evoke any response. Thus, on 30 March 2016, India sent a reminder reiterating its request for consular access to the individual at the earliest. 13 more reminders were sent by India on 6 May 2016, 10 June 2016, 11 July 2016, 26 July 2016, 22 August 2016, 3 November 2016, 19 December 2016, 3 February 2017, 3 March 2017, 31 March 2017, 10 April 2017, 14 April 2017, and 19 April 2017 (Annexure 1). All these requests fell on deaf ears on behalf of Indian government. Stop. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.